Valuable hacks to make your life just that little bit easier. Hey, Tiegers, I hope you're keeping safe and well. Guys, today I am bringing you, like I've just said, some lovely facts to make your life just that little bit easier. Please show your support and love for this channel by hitting the subscribe button with that daily notification alarm bell in the face, Tiegers. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, it's all engagement and feedback for me. And without further ado, Tiegers, let's roll that intro. Already, Tiegers, we're starting on something with something sharp! Something sharp! Okay. I have a perfect solution, Tiegers, and it goes like this. Get some soap, get some water, get a scrubbing brush, and use elbow grease. Oh my god, why do you need to use toothpaste? Like, seriously. Can't even talk today, Tiegers. But you still got to scrub it off, so you might as well just... No way, look at that, it's tarnished. Absolutely tarnished. All there as well. All there. You see, 5-minute crafts, you're not doing very good, are you? No. No. And already, I can feel my levels of p***ness rising and the brain cells being leached from me. Here we go again, Tiegers. The tap. You have got it on the tap. You have smeared black shit all here and all down there and all there on the tap. Then you're flicking white paint everywhere. You see, you've managed to cover everything else, right? Including the walls. Oh look, you've even got some on this brown bit of cupboard. Oh, I say, 5-minute crash, you've got some on floor and all. You dozy bastards. You dozy bastards. Which kitchen showroom did you get that out of? Because that's not what you've just done. And it looks awful. And that bloody car's going past, Tiegers. My god, rude, I'm trying to record. Anyway, this tap looks awfully different and awfully shiny. Oh, can't spread some butter because you haven't left it out long enough. You just leave it for 5 minutes out and it warms through. What are you doing? There's a bloody chapstick that's already been in that, Tiegers. Like, what on earth is going on? You don't need to do this. Like, seriously, most butter and margarines nowadays are actually easily spreadable, even when they're freezing cold. And I should bloody know because I use margarine and butter all blooming time. I shouldn't really, right? But, you know, onwards and upwards, I'm slowly but surely losing weight, Tiegers, so this butter's not good for me. Oh. What's that? Is that some baby milk? 5-minute crafts, you would take more than 5 minutes. Oh, Christ on a bike. Right, Tiegers, let's just take this back a second. First things first, how many times are you going to catch your fingers? On here and on there, because you've used a Stanley knife, aka X-Acto knife, to do this cheap ass slit here to hold the spoon in. Just take the spoon out and wash it. Don't be lazy and dirty. OMG. Oh god, this is depressing. If you know how hot dogs have been made, I am disgusted by Sniper Wolf's video. Bless her. One of her food videos from a year or two ago, oh my god, she showed how to make blooming that. And the fact that it's got that weird pattern is really sending off my trypophobia. Like, really bad. Oh god, it looks awful. What's the point in having one of these? I don't see the point. Oh yeah. Oh really? Because you're going to sit there and watch 5-minute crafts on some heap of shit phone. You're going to watch a 5-minute crafts video whilst eating 5-minute craft sweets. What on earth are these things? And if they're supposed to be M&Ms, this is a piss poor version. And what on Satan's fettered foreskin are those? OMG. Oh god. It's like them cheap ass dog chocolate kind of bloody buttons with them frazzle hundreds and thousands. What's the point in having corn on the cob if you're going to take it off the cob? Why don't you just get canned corn? Okay, some oranges and yoghurt. Refrigerate. If yoghurt is in the fridge, it does not turn like that. Also, I want to say, if it does turn like that, then throw it in the bin. Don't you mean you need to freezer that? Not refrigerate. Like, seriously. Oh, no, that looks disgusting. Oh, God, that's sending me cold. See, you don't walk like that. Darling, you've got black feet, I just saw then. Oh, guys, you know if you need some extra cushion, stick in a sanitary pad. I know a Dr. Gina that might help you with that. Stick your dirty feet in there and carry on walking, love. Oh, no! Why would the top of your hammer be dirty? Oh, God, you need to take care of your tools. Your tools. Oh, my God. Christ on a bike. Oh, yes, excuse me, love. Do you have any sponges? Yes, sir. Yes, we do. How many would you like? Well, you see, love, I only want one, so I only want to really use it once. Or just maybe a few times, just to get a nail out of a wall. Have you ever thought about cleaning your tools, sir? You question me. We have a 5-minute craft, please. Christ on a bike. It's got arms, Tiegers. It doesn't work. I swear to God, it doesn't work. Shall I tell you why? I've tried this before. It does not work. Don't waste your time. It's not a hack. It's not a valuable hack to make your life easy like this is titled. This everyday life hack is a load of shit. This is not sponsored by Pepsi Max, but if it was, I can tell you I have a couple of jugs a day. Mind me jugs. Maximum taste, wobbly ass. Why would you even do that? Why would you even do that? Like, how many times are you going to smack your ankle on them wheels? And it looks like... I'm not going to tell you what I think that looks like, but yeah, it doesn't look very great, let's just say. The woman behind is going to act all like, oh no, I can't. Well, what you do is you pick it up and you grab the handle and pull. Whilst you've got this bag on one hand and the other bag in your shoulder. That's what you do. Like, oh, I wonder what she's doing there. Excuse me, love, can you contact us, please? We want to know what you're doing. You're starring in a 5-minute craft video. Are they paying you for this? 5-minute craft car and all. That never happens. No. Right, guys, for starters, if you want your bags to break, do this. If you have to stab another hole in a belt, it is no longer structurally able to last long before that area snaps. I should know because I'm between belt sizes and I've frigged up my belt just recently. And when you get bags out at car, you grab them by the handles. All handles. So they don't drop. No. Oh God, you look like a tramp. That never happens. Well, no. Don't do this, Tiegers, because then you're going to squirt out a load of whatever this sauce is. Did not look pleasant, and if it's tomato sauce, you ought to be ashamed of yourself, because that looks so grim. And like, you know, you don't need to have hot plastic in your tomato sauce, and obviously it's going to taint that sauce, the first bit that comes out. They expect you to use it. Watch. And it never comes out like that either, no. Lying arseholes. Oh no. What on earth? Oh, you rug cutter. No, it doesn't work because you can still pull the top bits out. You haven't put all the fibres in. They're woven for a reason. Oh look, this is the cheap ass, nasty ass, sprayed with all sorts of shit to make it shine bloody burger that they just squirted a load of tomato sauce on recently. Oh, let's put a few crisps there. You just cut it in half like a normal human being. No. Seriously, take everything... because that's dangerous. You don't need to do this at all. This is grim. Oh, God, no. How much fucking butter? What the fuck? Arteries, heart attack. Yes, is that the ambulance? It's not even by me here, like, but still, is that the ambulance? I'd like to use your service, please. I think my heart's just about to give out. See, I know somebody that used to slice butter off in thick chunks like this while she was at work and ate it. She's dead now, like, I don't know if it was the butter that did it. I'm sure she's dead now. I think she's got to be dead now. My God, if she is not, I'd be very surprised because, she just used to eat butter. I keep burping because that Pepsi Max. That looks disgusting. Get fresh. You lazy idle swine, son of a bitch. Get some bloody fresh. I put my armour on and I'm face palming. That never happens. That never happens. That never freaking happens. You open it slightly and pull a load out. I should know. I used to live off that shit. Now I'm all for ramen noodles. That's just amazing. Hit the like button if you like ramen noodles. Or comment down below, right guys, if you would rather eat spaghetti. Sorry, but I'll be giving this video a like for ramen noodles. Anyway guys, that's enough from me. Because this is the last hack I can cope with. You don't have to do that because the loader room will break if you slam them down like that. You prick. That's it, guys. Oh my God, did you feel the brain cells leach out of you? If you did, hit that like button. And hit them comments down below if you cannot process some of the stuff you've just seen, because I'm struggling, guys. Help me. Help me. By hitting that subscribe button with that daily notification alarm bell in the face, Tiegers. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, guys. It's all engagement and feedback for me. I'm a nosy bitch. I want to know what you think. Anyway, guys, that's enough from me. Be safe out there. Be warm. Be well. Ciao for now.